Right now I'm at Mural Street, the street of childhood. There are many murals, uh, beautiful murals. Let's check out. The next painting is the street of flowers. Oh, the next one will be old-fashioned days. Wow. Every painting has a name. Oh, that's some kind of temple. Bao An Pagoda. The next one will be electric locomotive. And the name for this another name will be Vietnam Korea Joint Project, Private Art for Better Space. I think this the most special one. It actually comes out just out. It comes out. It's not even. Wow. Wow, this is so beautiful. Oh, by the way, their numbers on top is number 36. Mural 67. Wow. And there's a gold color plated motorcycle. Look at that. It's a Honda. And right in front of me is the golden motorcycle, Honda. Even the tires are gold color, guys. Wow, there's some animals' heads. Oh, there's a train at above, guys. Wow. I think it connects the train between Hanoi and the different provinces in Vietnam. Oh, that's a long carriage.